Hola, hola, Dango Bafethu. Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Finally, Kaizer Chiefs Bafethu, they have posted i-post Zamalek versus Kaizer Chiefs ngeyi-29 zikaNovember bafethu lapha ePeter Mokaba Stadium, New Peter Mokaba Stadium ePolokwane. And indaba ezinhle lezi bafethu because at least abalandeli sebazokhona ukuthi baziprepare. They know their next destination. And please guys, keep on subscribing and keep on watching iKaizer Chiefs True News Sport wenzela ukuthi sizokhona ukukhula bafowethu, sizokwazi ukcreate le platform yokuthi noma ubani umuntu ozwa enombono afuna ukufika ngawo, mhlambe khona into ofuna ukuyisho, ufike bafowethu ngokukhululeka uzosho whatever ipoint le ofuna ukuyisho. Danko bafowethu. And then I wish ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs bafethu kulabadlali bebakhona njengoba bebathule kangaka, I hope ukuthi they have trained enough ukuthi bazokhona ukubhekana nayo iZamalek and bakhonile nokushaya ama-research ngayo iZamalek ukuthi i-weakness yayo ikuphi, because as Kaizer Chiefs bafethu we have to know ukuthi if we draw with iZamalek goalkeeper wabo if siya kuma penalty uweak kuphi, and then ama-players wabo which players are they good ukuperforma like i-90 minutes. Iyo lento kakhulu edinga ukuthi abo-coaches bethu bayenze, bazokwazi ukuthi uma beyobhekana ne-team bakwazi ukuthi nabo esikhona ukuzilwela ezi-Kaizer Chiefs, especially kulama-players lawa othola ukuthi ama-attackers ane-speed nama-defender wakhona ane-speed, and khona la khona ukudefenda kumele wazi ama-weakness point wama-players ukuthi i-player liso alikhona ukuheada, i-player liso li-defender very well and alina speed, and then i-player liso liyakhona ukudefenda, liyakhona ukugijima. So yizo lezi zinto esizidinga kakhulu ezi-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu njenge-coaches ne-team management. They have to do ama-research and then bahambe bayobhekelela especially mayodlala lawo wona lama-team la. I hope ukuthi bakhonile ukuthi bayobhekelela wona lama-team lawa, bakhona ukubona ukuthi adlala kanjani. Kodwa I believe in lama-coaches wethu omabili abokhaze lapha, I believe in them ukuthi bayakhona ukuthi bazinikeze isikhathi. Ingakho mhlawumbe ubona bebathule kanje, uthola ukuthi besaphumile outside the country bazokhona ukubhekelela ukuthi lama-team adlala kanjani. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu, ngiyacela ukuthi ni-subscribe sizokwazi ukuthi sinikeze